It was 1883 when computer programming started. After centuries, hundreds of programming languages have come into existence in the quest to be the most agile and powerful enough to dominate the industry. A few impeccable ones managed to withstand the test of time, and a few seem a lot ahead of time. Now the question arises, which of these programming languages are the ones you should learn? So, you are already watching Simplilearn, and today we bring you the list of the top 10 programming languages to learn in the year 2023. At number 10, we have Rust. When the Achilles heel of C++ was revealed, many companies, including Dropbox, Firefox, Cloudflare, and many others, needed to find a solution to code safety. In 2020, Rust came into the picture. Rust is a multi-paradigm, general-purpose programming language developed by Firefox as an operational replacement for C++. But Rust was more capable than just offering memory and code safety. Rust's high-performance compiler makes it ideal for processing heavy data loads. Currently, Meta, Amazon, Microsoft, and many organizations are dependent on Rust for several operations. The salary of a Rust programmer is 9 lakh rupees in India. In the United States of America, the salary is around $110,000 per annum. At 9, we have Go programming language, also known as Golang. Google designed a simple yet statistically typed programming language that is a brilliant combination of advanced memory safety and garbage collection with the simplicity of the C language. Golang was originally developed to support the programming for networking and infrastructure requirements. Go seemed to be a viable substitute for high-performance programming languages like Java. Currently, Golang has a wide range of applications across cloud computing, server-side scripting, DevOps, and many more. Companies like Twitch, Uber, Dropbox, and Google have adopted the Go language. The average salary of a Go developer is 135,000 USD, and in India, the salary of a Go developer is 10 lakh rupees annum, based on your experience. Next, we have Kotlin. Many believe Kotlin is the future that surpasses Java. Peculiarly, there's more Java can do than just develop Android. Kotlin just makes things easier for Android when compared to Java. Both these powerful programming languages are put on head-to-head comparison in Android. But Kotlin is designed based on Java. Yes, Kotlin runs on JVM. More on the differences in our Kotlin versus Java video in the I button above. Meng and many more companies are active users of Kotlin. The salary of a Kotlin developer in India is 10 lakh rupees per annum, and in America, the salary is $140,000 per annum. At 7, we have SQL. Structured query language is one of the most successful languages and is considered an important skill for every programmer lately. SQL is a data language that is used to create data tables. It stores data, communicates with the database, and manipulates data to fetch the required results, which is a major part of data analytics. Companies like NTT Data, Microsoft, Accenture, and others use SQL. The salary of an SQL developer in India is 1,100,000 rupees and $100,000 in the USA. At 6, we have TypeScript. TypeScript is Microsoft's yet another powerful programming language. TypeScript shares similarities with JavaScript, but follows strict syntactical practices with brilliant tooling at any scale. Companies like Accenture, Microsoft, and more use TypeScript. The salary of TypeScript developers in India is $2,200,000 per annum. In America, the salary is $160,000 per annum. At 5, we have Swift. If you want to develop anything for Apple, Swift is your savior. Originally, Apple used Objective-C. It was one of the oldest programming languages that needed programmers to be well aware of a large variety of libraries. Objective-C was verbose and time-consuming to adapt. So, Apple developed Swift and migrated from Objective-C, dramatically minimizing the efforts and time required to develop software and applications for Apple devices. Apart from Apple, companies like Uber, Robinhood, and a few more financial companies are active users of Swift. Apple software developers are highly paid professionals. In India, Swift developers are paid 10 lakhs per year, and Swift developers bag about $90,000 per annum in America. Up ahead, we have C and C++, the humble languages of the entire clan of programming. C is titled the mother of all programming languages. The veteran programming language has contributed a lot to developing new languages, compilers, databases, and one of the most popular operating systems, Microsoft Windows. On the other hand, C++ is an advanced version of C with object-oriented programming abilities. C++ is used for web development, games, and much more. Companies like Microsoft, Netflix, and many more use these programming languages. The average salary of C and C++ developers in India is 10 lakhs per annum. In the USA, the salary is $120,000 per annum. Next, we have the top 3 programming languages you've been waiting for. At 3, we have JavaScript, the most versatile and powerful language that turned the face of the internet. JavaScript is a leading programming language with the highest number of communities and active users worldwide. An astonishing number of 65% of programmers around the world use JavaScript. Sharing the podium are Python with 48% in the second and Java with 33% in the third. JavaScript is used majorly for web development by companies like Netflix, Google, PayPal, BigBasket, and more. The salary of a JavaScript developer in India is $1,600,000 per annum, and in the USA, the salary is $135,000 per annum. At number 2, we have Java. Java is invincible among all languages. Java has the largest community, repositories, and support. It has spread its roots into every software framework, mobile application, big data, and operating system. You name it, Java did it. IT giants like Ming and many other IT firms use Java. The salary of a Java developer in India is $1,200,000 per annum, and in the USA, the salary is $120,000 per annum. Finally, our number 1 programming language is Python. Many believe that Python is one of the newest programming languages. As a matter of fact, it's a veteran programming language that is a lot older than Java. Python was developed keeping one thing in mind: simplicity. Python is not verbose, and it comes with the most simplistic syntax. Python shares similar credibility as Java in terms of operations and has established its firm foot in the field of data science and data analysis lately. Ming and IT giants like Intel, Pixar, IBM, and more use Python. Pythoneers earn handsome salaries. The salary of a Python programmer in India is $1 million per annum, and in the USA, the salary is $150,000 per annum. That concludes our list of top programming languages for the year 2023.
Technology refers to the application of knowledge for the betterment of human society. Over thousands of years, technology has evolved, providing humans with major comfort. From creating the telephone to the world of tablets and phones, from making computers to developing highly intellectual robots, technology has been evolving in almost all possible fields, providing various job opportunities that are continuously growing day by day. In this video, let's discuss some of the best technologies for the coming year. Yes, you heard it right. We will focus on the top 10 technologies to learn for 2023. Stick to the end of the video to know which is the most trending technology of 2023. But before we begin, consider subscribing to our channel, Simplilearn, and hit the bell icon to never miss any updates. So if you are a tech geek, here's a question for you. What was the first digitally operated and programmable robot called? Here are the options: Unicorn, Unimate, Univac, ENIAC. Let us know your answer in the comment section below. So without any further delay, let's check the technology which is at number 10 on our list. 10. Extended reality. Extended reality, or XR, covers everything that falls under augmented reality, AR, virtual reality, VR, mixed reality, MR, or anything in between. Businesses and major industries like entertainment, marketing, and design benefit massively from extended reality frameworks. According to Globe Newswire, the extended reality market is set to grow from $26 billion in 2020 to as high as $397 billion by 2026, boasting a CAGR of 57.91%. With technological giants like Google, Samsung, and Apple looking for extended reality experts regularly, the demand for trained professionals in this domain has grown substantially, boasting average salaries of $68,000 to $102,000 annually. Let's unlock the next technology trending at number 9. Edge computing, more of architecture rather than technology. Edge computing is a distributed computing pattern that brings data storage and computation closer to the data source, thereby improving the response time and saving the bandwidth. It's considered an important factor for the success of the 5G and IoT industries. As per reports, edge computing is estimated to reach $101.3 billion with a CAGR of 17.8%. Thanks to an exponential increase in the job market, big names like Amazon, HP, and IBM hire edge computing experts with an average salary estimated at $170,000 per annum. The next technology on this list is 5G and Wi-Fi 6. We live in a world where massive amounts of data need to be transmitted quickly. With the increased adoption of video conferencing needing reliable connection and higher bandwidth, this is where 5G and Wi-Fi 6 comes into play. 5G networks are slated to have more than 1.7 billion global customers by 2025. According to the GSM Association, with the major players being Samsung, Cisco, and Nokia, among others. The worldwide market for 5G is also anticipating growth with CAGR of 67.1%, propelling newer technologies like IoT and virtual reality into mass production for the public. Wi-Fi 6, on the other hand, provides improved security and high internet speed even when congested. It is expected to grow from $11.5 billion in 2022 to $26.2 billion by 2027 with CAGR of 17.9%. Up next, we have blockchain. Blockchain is now revolutionizing every sector from banking and healthcare to politics. These are a few industries that may profit from establishing a decentralized digital ledger that monitors and saves data in several locations, making forgeries difficult. Companies that use blockchain are HSBC, Barclays, Walmart, and Pfizer, to name a few. Blockchain developers need to know cryptography, data structures, and computer networking. According to reports, by 2023, the market evaluation of blockchain is expected to reach $19.9 billion with a CAGR of 42.8%, with the rise of NFT creators are earning vast amounts of money. Next on our list is cybersecurity and digital trust. Several organizations have fallen prey to cyber attacks, including big names like Facebook, LinkedIn, and Yahoo. The onset of the COVID-19 pandemic has triggered a rise in the number of cyber attacks across the globe. Hence, the field of cybersecurity holds paramount importance in today's times. A few of the best cybersecurity companies are Cisco, Microsoft, McAfee, and IBM. Knowledge of operating systems, networking, and virtualizations are must-knows in the cybersecurity domain. Recent reports suggest that the global cybersecurity market size is expected to reach $31.82 billion by the end of 2023, with a CAGR of 15.2%. The technology trending on number 5 is robotics and automation. Robotics is an influential industry gaining momentum over time. In the coming years, robotics will offer a lot to the world, like smart factories, the adoption of agile robotics and cobots, to name a few. Some companies actively working in the field of robotics are Boston Dynamics and Universal Robots. Some core robotic skills you need to possess are Python, MATLAB, problem solving, mathematics, and machine learning. The global robotics market is estimated to reach $70.84 million by the end of 2023, with a CAGR of 10.5%. At number 4, we have IoT, Internet of Things. Quickly becoming an integral part of our lives, IoT, or the Internet of Things, is a futuristic technology recognized for its social and technological marvels. IoT devices are increasing by almost 31% yearly, and according to reports, there will be 30 billion IoT devices by 2022. The number of active devices is estimated to double by the end of 2023. IoT has aided firms in improving customer service, streamlining operations, and increasing profits. Mindtree, IBM, GE Digital, and Verizon are a few companies getting more involved with IoT. The top in-demand IoT skills are machine learning and AI, Python, JavaScript, Big Data, and Node.js. According to reports, it is estimated that the market value will reach or even exceed $566.4 billion by the end of 2027, with a CAGR of 6.7%. Now, coming to the top three, we have quantum computing. Quantum computing uses the properties of quantum physics to perform calculations and simulations that would not be possible on a traditional machine. While not just a research experiment anymore, quantum computing is a tool changing the face of several industries, including medicine, biology, and climate change. Big names like Microsoft, Google, IBM, and Intel are in the race to build quantum computing tools. To learn quantum computing, you need to know programming, mathematics, mechanics, scientific computing, and algorithms. Reports state that the quantum computing market is estimated to reach $411.4 million by 2026, with a CAGR of 24.2%. At the runner-up position, we have proof of work and proof of stake. Decentralized cryptocurrency networks must ensure that transactions are carried out safely and securely without a centralized organization like Visa or PayPal. To accomplish this, networks use a technology known as a consensus mechanism. Proof of work and proof of stake are the two consensus mechanisms that enable all the computers in a crypto network to concur on which transactions are valid. Proof of work is the older one of them, used by Bitcoin, Ethereum 1.0. It uses mining by miners around the world. And proof of stake is the newer consensus mechanism that powers Ethereum 2.0, Cardano, Tezos, which employs a network of validators to validate the new transaction, update the blockchain, and earn a reward. To excel in this technology, you should have proficiency in at least one high-level programming language, a solid grasp of cryptography and security principles, knowledge of smart contracts, and familiarity with algorithms and data structures. According to statistics, it is estimated that the market value will reach $69 billion by the end of 2030. And the technology that has taken the world by storm, ranking at number 1, is AI as a service. Gone are the days when you needed a hard copy of a map to travel to your favorite place, as Google Maps has efficiently replaced them with its powerful AI. AI, or artificial intelligence, is the top most trending technology today. It enables machines to think and act like humans. Now, talking about AI as a service, AIaaS is a third-party offering, AI services which help individuals and organizations to conduct AI experiments at low cost. Some top companies using AI as their core technology include Google, Amazon, Apple, and Microsoft. The market value of AI is projected to reach $42.4 billion with a CAGR of 29.75%. That concludes our list of the top 10 technologies for the year 2023. So if you plan to educate yourself and get trained in any of these technologies, check out Simplilearn's bootcamps. Link will be in the description box below. If you like this video, give this a thumbs up, consider subscribing to our channel, and hit the bell icon to never miss any updates from Simplilearn. Stay tuned for more interesting videos by Simplilearn, and thanks for watching.